Meghalaya is trying to complete the implementation of Shillong Smart City project by 2024. At the time when it is reported that the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs placed Shillong among the 10 worst performers in terms of implementation of the Smart City projects, the Urban Affairs Minister Sneo Balang Dahar said the implementation of the project is going on in full swing. He, however, admitted certain hassle, which includes a shifting of utilities, which has led to the delay in implementing the project.
Complete at the earliest, but because city projects, so there is some issue here and there, land and shifting of utilities. So we are trying to complete it at the earliest. Not hurdles. So suppose like to shift the electric poles, we have to discuss with MCL. To remove the water pipe, we have to discuss with PHE. That's why that is the reason we take time. Shifting of utilities is a tough job, not so easy, but still we are doing it.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today